Welcome to the IELTS Online Listening Test tutorial. You can change the volume at any time using the control in the bottom right of the screen. Click on the speaker icon and use the slider to make the sound louder or quieter. For each part of the listening test, you will hear the recording once only. You will not be able to pause or stop the recording once you begin. You will have time to read the questions before you listen. To see all the questions, you may need to use the scroll bar. Some parts of the test have more than one type of question. Each type of question has its own instructions. Listen carefully for the part number and question numbers to make sure you are looking at the right part of the test. For some questions, you need to write your answer in the gap. For some questions, you need to choose an answer. For some questions, you need to choose more than one answer. For some questions, you need to click on the correct space in a table. For some questions, you need to click on an answer and move it into the gap. You can also highlight text and make notes. See how to do this in the quick guide to the IELTS Online Listening, Reading, and Writing Tests video. At the end of the listening test, you'll have 2 minutes to check all of your answers. The test will automatically stop when the time finishes.